Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm just going to show you the TOOVREN cases, what's it look like. I got two of these colorways. So hopefully you guys see my unboxing video and do the test for the Qi wireless charging. So I got three of these iPhone models. Got the iPhone 11 Pro Max. This is the iPhone 11, and then this is the iPhone 11 Pro. But unfortunately, I only got two of the cases from TOOVREN. This one is from Sia, that she sent it to me. This one is the brown color. And then this one is from Jane, that she sent me the red color. I'm pretty impressed with these two of the cases that I got, and both of them are very nice. They also have a black color and then like a navy blue color. So if you want, you go check them out. I will include the link that's gonna show you in the description. So whatever the color that match with your outfit or your dress for a different occasion. So this is supposed to be an anti-scratch resistance. So I'm scratching with my nail. I don't see any scratches, so that's good. And this one's the red color. Do the scratch test. Well, anyway, I did the wireless charging. These cases are compatible with all your Qi wireless charger, so you will not interfere with the wireless charging, okay? So I just want to give you guys a short video about the two of the cases that I got. And they also carry the wallet style that you can put in like your drive license, your credit card, or your cash. And then you can hook it on your neck as a lanyard. In case you guys missed it, I will include the link as well. So yeah, before we go, and then I just want to show you guys real quick on how to remove the case. You don't want to remove the case from the top. You want to start on the corner, either the left or the right hand side on the bottom, and then just yank it out downward, okay? And all you need to do, you get the gap right here, and then just lift up the whole phone slowly, okay? Sometimes you might press the volume button by accident, so it kind of accidentally did the screenshot, unless you want to turn on your phone. So this is the red one, will be the same thing. You just press it down. And then you got a gap, and then on the opposite side, we'll do the same thing. Then that's it. So all of them has a microfiber lining, so it's not gonna scratch your glass backing, unless you put some kind of like a. My son, I think he put like a ID, which is plastic or something. I'm not sure how he got the backing scratch, because he has a school ID and then he put it on the backing here, but it was on the clear case, not on this kind of case. So anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video, and be sure to check out the product. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.